me see your hair. This is inside too. I feel like you can't really see the trees, how much they're blowing from the camera, but here's our ghetto rig thing, but it doesn't look like the trees are moving. Maybe when I go back and look at it, but
I don't know. I mean, they are, especially at the top.
Yeah, they're swaying everywhere.
I'm worried about that little skinny little dude right there.
Yeah, it's probably gonna fall.
Oh, yeah, now it's starting to rain. I like it out here.
You like it out here? You're weird.
Yeah.
It does. I mean, it does feel good.
It's finally not hot as crap out here.
Yeah.
Now it stopped.
Yeah, like it chills.
We're gonna get like a gust again now that it stopped.
Yeah. It chills and then it comes back.
Yeah.
I think it said like 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
2 to 3 it starts getting bad.
That's when the like orange
Yeah.
gets to us.
Which actually, I'll do this. I'll show you guys on my phone the forecast right now. I'm gonna show you guys the radar, so.
I'm gonna go out front.
Okay. You guys can see the little dot. This is us right now at 12:59. See, we're not really getting a whole lot of it. When we fast forward here to the future, you guys can see it starts kind of coming at us. So that's when we're really gonna start feeling it. So, and I'll back out, show you guys how big this thing is, man. I mean, this is insane. Definitely not something to play around with. Sorry, bud. Definitely not something to play around with. Okay, buddy? No, he's going in. Yeah, I know, it's bad now. So, that's where we're gonna be here shortly. We're not gonna catch the eye or anything, but we're gonna get a lot, I guess what they call the dirty end, or the dirty side of the hurricane, which is basically all the wind force and rain that the hurricane's kind of pushing around from the outside. So that's what we're gonna get. Let me let Peanut back in. You okay, buddy? Let's go inside. Come on, go inside. Here's our fort. Here's the terrified cats. Watch out, Evie. It's okay. Excuse the mess. Let's check for any damage up front. Was there any damage? That one wind gust scared the crap out of Peanut.
I know, right when I was opening the door, it like took the front door back. And
it took off.
Luckily, I put these rocks there where like it was.
Yeah. It's definitely coming. He's coming. Is the house good?
So far, but
It hasn't. Definitely. That crazy gust that we just got. That was pretty nuts. It is cold. There's the house, which is good. Yeah, we'll see what it looks like later. Alright, I'll touch back with you guys here in a little bit.